radio test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from the Tampa Bay Area National Weather Service office. This was also a test of the specific area message encoder system, which will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
And that concludes another episode of That One Guy.
Now for the official National Weather